In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing options. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon at the top left corner. Then select Settings. And as you can see, after tapping on Input, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on this icon next to the chosen one, or tap on the chosen one and pick one of the available options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!